in Park City, and it is a blizzard. It's a blizzard out there. And we just went to the outlets, and how many kids are in my car?
89!
Oh my gosh! Niska, my gorgeous daughter in the front. Aubrey, my gorgeous daughter right there.
89! 89!
Blake and Wyatt. So crazy! Anyway, it was really fun shopping with 7 children. No, it really was. They did a great job. I actually might have bribed them with a movie and ice cream. And they did it. They behaved themselves in like the last 2 hours. Anyway, and I'm loading them with sugary drinks. Yeah. Okay. Happy Blizzard Day.
It's so cold!
P.S. They've been out of school for what? How long?
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah, because we have
They go back in 2 days.
cold.
Hey, crazy cats. Oh my gosh.
usually act like that.
Yeah. Anyway, crazy train pulling out of the blizzard. What did we do this morning before we left?
We went bowling.
Oh, we did go bowling. It was fun. We did what? Because I was scared to drive in the snow.
Oh, we said a prayer.
Oh yeah, who said the prayer?
Wyatt.
That was a very good prayer, Wyatt. And hopefully we make it home safe too, because I'm a scaredy cat to drive in the snow, and I live in the mountains now. What?
Can I say a prayer and I say it?
We already did though.
I know, but on the
Okay, we're leaving.